Hey everybody, today I'm going to be taking a look at this miniature 2-axis laser level. One thing I really like about this is it does have a very small, compact design. You can see right here, it's going to be able to fit in any toolbox, and it's not going to take up a lot of room like some of the larger laser levels. One thing I also like is the fact that it comes in this really nice little foam pouch right here. It does have a little carrying handle on the top, so it's going to make it, again, really easy. You're going to be able to protect the laser level, that type of thing. So in the package here, you're going to get an instruction manual, and this is going to detail a lot of the information related to like what the laser is, things like that. You're also going to get 2 sets of batteries. I like that because you're going to have a spare. You're also going to get 2 of these adapter plates here. And what's cool about this plate is that it does have some really strong magnets in here. And so this is going to be able to attach maybe to some metal siding or something along those lines. And then you're going to be able to use this side here to kind of dial it in and then lock the laser level onto the actual platform. So this creates kind of like a little shelf for it to sit on. You also are going to get this little adapter right here. So this is going to be able to use different size, maybe like a camera tripod or something like that. So you can screw this into the bottom. And this is going to give you a little bit more versatility on what you can mount this to instead of laying it on the ground. So one thing that's really cool is it does have a 520 nanometer laser, so that's going to be a nice green color to you. And setup is extremely easy. All you have to do, load your batteries in here, snap this shut, and on the side here there's this little switch, and if you push this forward, it basically releases the laser level that's in here, and it kind of floats. And you can see here it does have the green laser. And the other thing I think is really cool, obviously it's going to be auto leveling and it's going to have 2 axes. So you'll have your vertical and your horizontal. But what else is cool about this is that it will auto level within a certain range. So if you're really far out of range like this, it's going to flash and let you know that you basically need to kind of get it a little more level. So one thing that's really cool too, as you can see here, it's got a really nice bright green laser. So let's go ahead and get this lined up on a wall and I can show you how to use it. So we got the laser level lined up here, and what's cool is if you press the little button here on the top, it's going to change the brightness of the laser. So if you're working inside, you can keep it on a lower level. It's going to give you a little bit more crisp lines. What else is cool too is it does have that self-leveling, which is going to be basically 3 degrees. So if it's outside of that, it's going to flash and let you know that you need to readjust it. This is also going to be really cool because it is accurate, plus or minus 2.5 millimeters per every 5 meters. So this is going to be a very accurate little laser level. And you can see here how easy it is to set this up. You can get it in exact angles, things like that. You want to see if things are like a wall is square or how you want to hang a picture or something like that. You'll be able to come up behind here, mark your line of exactly where you want your picture to go, or a shelf or something like that. Or if you're mounting cabinets like we have here, you're going to be able to basically mark exactly where you want things. And this will give you also the vertical. So what's cool about that is if you have something that's going to go into the corner here, you're going to be able to mark along the top of exactly where you want it. And then you're going to be able to do your holes drilled all the way down vertical, like maybe for a shelf or something along those lines. So this is going to be a really cool tool to have, again, in your toolbox, out in the garage. It's super easy to use. Again, that's it. Flip it off, flip it back on. And I think the really cool thing is it does have that really nice green laser there. You can see the device kind of floating on the inside, the laser itself, and then that's what's going to give you that auto leveling.